Well, the only thing I don't like about a lifestyle block is picking up hedge. It's every 2 years, but yeah, it's hard work and it's a pain. It looks good when it's done. So I'll show you how I pull it off the trailer without double handling it. Nothing worse than doing a trailer full of hedge clipping. It's so compact. Another job I've got to do. Another job I've got to do. Fix that gate. Just backed into it with a tractor. Never ending, mate. Never ending. Bloody dog. He disappeared last night. Couldn't find him for a little bit, and he obviously found a hedgehog. So what he does is he knows he'll get spiked if he touches it, so he just digs around till it drops into the hole. It's crazy. I've filled in about 30 holes around this place from him doing that. Right, I'll show you how to, well, how I set up the trailer, because it's not a dump trailer, to pull off hedge clippings. Have about a metre overhanging at the front of the trailer. Lie it all down flat here. Leave the couple of metres out the back. Do it on both sides. Now you just chuck your hedge clippings on top of that. And once it's full, I'll show you what I do. Alright, all done. Old hedgehog hole from the killer dog case. The old lawnmower will fix the rest up, I'd say. Hole filled in. We'll get a little bit more on there, and then we'll do an unload. I usually have 2 kids and the wife help out, but one's left home, one's got a sore back and one's crook, so yeah, it didn't take me long to figure out a way to get it off the trailer after the first load. I tell you, nothing worse than unloading a trailer. That's what I've just cleaned up. 200 metres, taking me all day. Just got this little bit to go where on this side the old tractor can't get at it. So we'll do this and we'll start unloading since it's full, and I'll show you how I get it off. Yeah, I could have left it there to decompose, but nothing worse than your sheep getting behind there and getting it in their wool and then trying to shear them with that stuff in it. Plus the neighbour's got electric fence, 3 wires up, and it would short out, so best to be a good neighbour and sort it out, eh? Right, that's what I've just finished cleaning on the neighbour's boundary. It's pretty hard knacker, but it's all done now, so on to this next. Tractor, easier though, but use another vehicle to pull it out. that's it, all done.